Today, we're going over 3 turmeric face masks for gorgeous glowing skin. Make sure to watch till the end to discover a bonus recipe to achieve gorgeous glowing skin just like glass. Turmeric is great to cook with. It's the main ingredient in curry, and you probably already know this, but did you know that it is also great for your skin? Just as turmeric is a great anti-inflammatory and antioxidant for a healthy body, it is also a great antioxidant and anti-inflammatory for your skin. The turmeric plant is closely related to ginger. The root of the turmeric can be ground into a paste or dried and then ground into powder. There have been numerous studies on the benefits of turmeric both internally and topically. It's really astounding and well worth it to add turmeric to all your dishes and your skincare. Not only is turmeric an anti-inflammatory and an antioxidant, it also has healing properties, antiseptic, antibacterial, and anti-allergic. Here are just a few of the great beautifying benefits of using turmeric on your skin. It protects from sun damage, it reduces acne, reduces the risk of skin cancer, helps heal wounds, helps treat psoriasis, and delays the appearance of aging. Before we get into the video, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos. As you probably already know, UV rays are very damaging for your skin. They can cause burns, prematurely age your skin, skin disease, hyperpigmentation, and many wrinkles. In any case, turmeric may help you with these conditions, as turmeric is great for anti-aging. A study by Science Direct studied rat skin and found that turmeric improved sun damage, a potential early sign for the possibility to slow the impacts of aging human skin. Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant and can inactivate free radicals from pollution and the sun from damaging your skin's elasticity. Turmeric inactivates elastase, an enzyme responsible for breaking down elastin. Elastin gives your skin structure. If elastase is left to itself, it can stop your body from producing the proteins needed to produce elastin. There was also another study that showed after using a cream containing both turmeric and niacinamide, rather than just a cream with only niacinamide, there was a 15% more reduction in fine lines and wrinkles than the group using the cream with the niacinamide alone. Also, another study showed similar results in reducing age spots using turmeric and not just niacinamide. Even though both studies were supported by the company making the creams, there is reason to believe using turmeric plus niacinamide works to slow aging of skin and brighten skin. Here are 3 great turmeric masks that will lighten, brighten, and make your skin beautifully glowing, clean, and smooth looking. Number 1, turmeric and coconut oil mask. Mixing turmeric with coconut oil makes a wonderful mask. Not only is the turmeric great for your skin, but also the coconut oil is a great moisturizer and brightens skin. This turmeric mask is great for lightening and evening skin tone. Just mix 1 tablespoon each turmeric and melted coconut oil and stir until smooth. Apply to your face and let sit for about 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Make sure to remove all turmeric from your skin. Be careful not to get the turmeric on your clothes. If your skin stains a little, don't worry, it's only temporary. However, if you want to remove the stain, just mix a little baking soda with water and mildly scrub the area. Baking soda is a bleaching agent, and you will also be exfoliating at the same time. Number 2, turmeric and milk mask. 1½ teaspoons of turmeric powder mixed with 1 teaspoon of raw organic honey mixed with 1 tablespoon of coconut milk. You can use regular milk also. Mix to a thin consistency and adjust the milk accordingly. Apply after cleansing your face. Leave on for about 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. The turmeric calms inflammation and the milk and honey brightens. You can use this mask as often as needed according to your skin type and sensitivity. Number 3, hydrating turmeric mask. This mask is great for sensitive skin and has lightening and brightening properties. It is hydrating and of course is loaded with antioxidants, B vitamins, and alpha hydroxy acids. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 3 tablespoons of milk and 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric. Mix the ingredients in a bowl and apply to clean skin and wait about 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Okay, ready to discover a bonus recipe for gorgeous glass-like skin? It's Cleopatra's ancient beauty secret. Cleopatra is said to have bathed in donkey milk and turmeric. This is why she had soft, glowing, supple, beautiful skin. Cleopatra is well known for her beauty, and this is one of her beauty secrets. You can also drink turmeric milk for glowing skin, which I'm sure she did also. I would bet she also used it as a mask. Use turmeric milk to reduce redness and blotchy patches and get the added benefit of glowing skin. Use turmeric milk on a pad or cotton ball and dab the area that is affected. Leave it on for about 15 minutes. You will reduce skin redness and any blotchy patches, and you will have more glow and radiance to your skin than before. Drinking turmeric often will make your skin have a glow. The properties of turmeric milk will give you antioxidants and will fight free radicals from the inside out. The free radicals will no longer be able to damage your skin and the elasticity of your skin. How to make turmeric milk. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 glass of milk. Add a little sweetener like honey, then mix. It is worth mentioning that one of the antioxidants in turmeric is niacinamide that is well known in the beauty industry to make skin glow like glass. You can use a cream or a serum with niacinamide, and that's great, but if you use turmeric and niacinamide serum, you will also help with fine lines and wrinkles, according to a study done at Procter & Gamble. Here's some considerations when using turmeric. Always consider your skin type and tone when using turmeric on your skin and taking it internally. It seems to stain lighter skin tones more readily. I did find one type of turmeric that does not readily stain skin. You can use this type if you're concerned about staining your skin. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. Of course, always consider allergic reactions. It's a good idea to test beforehand. Rub a small amount on the inside of your forearm and then wait a few hours. Turmeric has the ability to stain skin and clothes, so be aware of this. Use a little milk on a cotton ball or baking soda mixed with water to remove the stain from skin. To remove stain of turmeric from clothes before stain has a chance to dry, use cool water and soap and just dab the stain. If you're not able to get soap and water, use lemon juice and let it set for about 15 minutes before rinsing with cold water. Never use hot water, as hot water will set the stain. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe and like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.